Welcome in Berlin, a city where history, art, and innovation converge to create a captivating journey. Join us as we explore the vibrant neighborhoods, historic sites, and cultural treasures that define this dynamic German capital. Our adventure begins amidst the juxtaposition of old and new that defines Berlin. Discover the energy of its street art, the elegance of its architecture, and the echoes of its tumultuous past. Behold the iconic Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of unity and hope that stands as a testament to Germany's resilience. Reflect at the poignant Holocaust memorial, a reminder of history's lessons. Step into Berlin's diverse neighborhoods, each with its own story to tell. Traverse the historic charm of Mitte and immerse yourself in the bohemian spirit of Kreuzberg. Immerse yourself in Berlin's rich cultural scene, where Museum Island showcases centuries of art history, and the Berlin Philharmonic sets the stage for unforgettable performances. Delight your taste buds in Berlin's culinary scene, from savory sausages to scrumptious pretzels. Wander through local markets and embrace the flavors that make Germany unique. Experience Berlin's electrifying nightlife, where the city's iconic club culture comes to life. Stroll along the East Side Gallery, where remnants of the Berlin Wall become canvases of expression. As the sun sets, Berlin's skyline transforms into a mesmerizing panorama of lights, embodying the city's spirit of innovation and creativity. Join us in celebrating the magic of Berlin, a city that embraces its past while shaping its future. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an art lover, a foodie, or simply captivated by urban exploration, Berlin promises an unforgettable journey. Hit that like button, share the adventure with fellow explorers, and subscribe